Okay. On deck is our deviled egg. So I went ahead and got some water boiling ahead of time. It's important to put salt in the water to make it boil at a hotter temperature, which in turn makes your food cook a little bit faster. So we're gonna need about 12 eggs, 2 avocados, 1 tablespoon of that Grey Poupon again, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cayenne. And to finish it off, we're gonna use that CBD hemp extract again from Enter Health. So I'm gonna take the lid off the boiling water, and then I'm gonna gently, in a separate bowl, drop the eggs into the water. And then we're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. Now, if you didn't notice, we are using avocados in this recipe instead of mayonnaise. I love using avocados because they are a nutrient-dense food. They're way low in calories compared to mayonnaise, and they have a lot less saturated fat. So it's a really good supplement if you're ever trying to use mayonnaise in a recipe. So we're gonna use 2 avocados. All right, now that we have our avocados in our bowl, we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So about a tablespoon of the Grey Poupon, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of pepper, some salt, and some cayenne. Use as much as you'd like. If you like it really spicy, use a little bit more. And then finally, we're gonna finish this off with the Enter Health hemp extract. So this recipe, I'm going to be using about 30 milligrams of the hemp extract. Since they are little deviled eggs, you can dose yourself out accordingly depending on how much CBD that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and put 3 dropfuls in here. And then I'm just going to smash up the avocado at first with a fork. We're gonna go ahead and make a DIY pastry bag at home. So grab a normal sandwich bag, and then we're gonna fill it with the avocado mixture and cut off a little tip so that we can pipe it into our eggs.